Double tap to perform the action.
What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or turn on TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right into it. So TalkBack is a feature for the vision impaired. And as you can see, every time you touch something on the screen, it reads it back out loud to you. Okay, but this can get pretty annoying if you turned it on by mistake. So in this video, I'll show you how to disable it. And, you can also use it if you want to enable it for yourself or for someone that you know. So all you got to do is you got to go into the settings and find the TalkBack function. So when you're in TalkBack mode, you could swipe around with 2 fingers. So you can go like this. You can swipe from side to side with 2 fingers. So we're going to find the settings, which is right here. We're going to select it, then double tap. Okay, double tap, double tap. Okay, then we're going to scroll down with 2 fingers to accessibility, which is right here. Okay, select it, double tap.
Navigate up button out of list.
And as you can see, TalkBack is right here. So select TalkBack and double tap it.
Navigate up,
and there you go. As you can see, the enable toggle is right here because it's on. So to turn it off, just select it. Okay, double tap it. Whoa.
Turn off TalkBack.
Okay, and then to confirm, select turn off.
Turn off button. TalkBack off.
And there you go. TalkBack will be now off. Okay, so you can start using your phone normally again. If you want to enable it, just toggle it on, and TalkBack will go back on. All right, so there you go. That is how you disable or enable TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Go ahead and destroy that like button if this video helped you, and comment down below and let me know. That's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.